With the Jet USA RX540, you'll look forward to the satisfaction of blasting your way through cleaning jobs. With awesome portability, convenience, and power, you'll be able to keep your pride and joy in pristine condition. With the onboard soap reservoir and specialized nozzle, you can easily apply suds in no time, thoroughly clean and protect paintwork. It offers the versatility to knock over all sorts of tasks around your home. With the very nozzle, you can adjust to the perfect pressure you need. The turbo head tackles the tough jobs while protecting the more vulnerable surfaces. With the surface cleaner attachment, you'll make light work of areas like driveways, decks, and patios. Plus, the gentle scrubbing brush head gives you even more cleaning options. At Jet USA, we're serious about results. How about you?